Capybara gazes dreamily at distant birds soaring above the river. Capybara sketches wing blueprints with a stick in his riverside den. Capybara gathers colorful feathers by the river under golden sunlight. Capybara patiently builds his colorful wooden and feather wings. Capybara straps on his handmade wings atop a mossy hilltop. Capybara charges downhill toward the river, small animals watching excitedly. Capybara leaps into the air above the river, wings outstretched. Capybara beats his wings mightily, hovering briefly above the river. Capybara crashes into the water, wings sending up sprays of sunlight. Capybara floats on his back, smiling at the golden clouds overhead. Capybara shows off his wings to a circle of amazed animal friends. Capybara smiles at sunset, feather in paw, dreaming of future flights.